Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Easy Practice podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. Before we begin, I want you to take a deep breath and relax, because today's topic is something very close to my heart. Believe in your English journey. You see, many English learners feel frustrated. They think, I'm not improving fast enough. My English is not as good as other people's. Maybe I'm just not good at learning languages. Does that sound familiar? If yes, you're not alone. I've met so many learners who feel exactly like this. But here's what I want you to remember. Your English journey is unique. It's your own path, and you need to trust it. Learning a language is not a race. It's not about being perfect. It's about improving step by step, day by day. And every small improvement you make, learning one new word, understanding one new sentence, is something to celebrate. So in today's lesson, I'm going to share with you a powerful conversation that will help you stay motivated and confident in your learning. We'll talk about how to stop comparing yourself to others, how to see your progress, and how to believe in yourself, even when it feels hard. Are you ready? Great. Get comfortable, relax, and let's begin this journey together. Hey, Alex, you look a bit worried today. What's going on?
Yeah, I feel frustrated. I've been learning English for a while, but I still can't speak fluently.
I understand, Alex. Many people feel the same. But tell me, what makes you think you're not improving?
Yesterday, I joined an online English group. Everyone spoke so fast. They understood each other easily, and I was just sitting there, lost.
Oh, I see. But Alex, that's normal. English fluency takes time. Do you remember how you used to feel a year ago?
Hmm, a year ago, I couldn't even introduce myself properly. Now at least I can talk about my day and ask questions.
Exactly. That's progress. You've come a long way.
But I keep comparing myself to others. It's like they are on a different level.
Comparison can be dangerous. Everyone learns at their own speed. Some people may learn faster, but you are learning your way, and that's okay.
But how can I stay motivated when I feel slow?
Start by celebrating small wins. For example, today you learned 3 new words, right?
Yes, opportunity, improve, and confident.
Great. Try to use them in a sentence now.
Hmm. I will take every opportunity to improve my English so I can feel confident.
Perfect sentence. See how good you are becoming?
But I still make grammar mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning. Do you think babies walk perfectly the first time?
No, they fall 100 times.
Exactly. But they keep trying. That's how you should see your English.
That makes sense. But how do I practice more?
Yes, writing helps you think in English. And when you speak, your sentences will come faster.
Okay, I'll try. But what if I don't feel like practicing some days?
Then do the 10-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'll just practice for 10 minutes. Once you start, you'll usually want to do more.
Honestly, Emma, not so good. I feel lazy sometimes. I know I need to practice, but after a long day, I just don't feel like it.
Oh, I totally understand. We all have those days. But have you heard of the 10-minute rule?
No, what's that?
It's simple. When you don't feel like practicing, just tell yourself, I'll practice for only 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes? That doesn't sound like much.
Exactly. That's the point. It feels easy, so you actually start. And you know what usually happens?
What?
Once you start, you get into the flow. You think, oh, I'm already practicing. I can do a bit more. Before you know it, 20 or 30 minutes have passed.
Oh, so it's like tricking your brain.
Yes, starting is the hardest part. The 10-minute rule removes that pressure.
But what if I still want to stop after 10 minutes?
That's totally fine. You've still practiced for 10 minutes, and that's a win. Small, daily steps lead to big results.
Hmm, that actually sounds doable. But what can I practice in just 10 minutes?
Many things. Watch a short English video and repeat sentences. Write a few lines in your English journal. Read a short article or a page from a book. Talk to yourself about your day in English.
Okay, I can try that. Maybe I'll write about my day.
Perfect. And remember, once you start, you'll often want to keep going. But even if you stop, you're still building a daily habit.
You're right. I usually skip practice because I think I don't have time for an hour. But 10 minutes? I can do that.
Exactly. It's about being consistent. Even 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Wow, I like this rule. I'll try it today.
Great! And don't forget to celebrate each day you practice, even if it's just 10 minutes. That positivity will keep you going.
Thank you, Emma. I already feel motivated.
You're welcome, Alex. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and your English will grow. You got this. And remember, learning a language is like planting a tree. You don't see results immediately, but with daily care, it grows strong.
Emma, that 10-minute rule is really smart. But do you think 10 minutes a day is enough to become fluent?
Great question, Alex. Of course, the more you practice, the faster you'll improve. But the secret is consistency, not how long you study in one sitting.
Consistency.
Yes. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't brush for 1 hour once a week, right? You brush for a few minutes every day. That's what keeps your teeth healthy.
Ah, I see. So, small daily English practice keeps my language skills healthy.
Exactly. If you do a little every day, English becomes a part of your life. Over time, your brain starts thinking in English automatically.
Wow, that actually sounds exciting. But sometimes I feel shy to speak in front of people.
That's very common. Many learners feel nervous. But here's the thing. You don't have to be perfect to speak.
I'm always worried about making mistakes.
Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every mistake teaches you something new. The most confident speakers are not the ones who never make mistakes. They are the ones who keep talking even when they do.
But what if people laugh at me?
Honestly, most people won't. And even if someone does, remember, you're brave enough to speak another language. That's amazing.
Hmm, you're right. I guess I've been too hard on myself.
Yes, celebrate the progress you're making. For example, last week you couldn't explain your weekend plans in English. Now you can. That's huge progress.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
And one more tip. Talk to yourself in English.
Talk to myself? That sounds funny.
It might feel strange at first, but it really works. You can practice describing what you see, planning your day, or even telling yourself a story.
Like, I am making coffee. After this, I will study English for 10 minutes.
Perfect. This trains your brain to form sentences quickly.
Okay, I'll try that.
And remember, Alex, this journey is yours. Don't compare it to anyone else's. Believe in yourself and trust the process.
Thank you, Emma. You always make me feel motivated.
You're welcome, Alex. You're improving every day. Keep using the 10-minute rule, celebrate small wins, and you'll surprise yourself with how far you can go. Great job, everyone. You stayed with me all the way to the end of today's lesson, and that's something to be proud of. I want you to remember this. Learning English is a journey, not a race. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep moving forward, one small step at a time. Practice every single day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Use the 10-minute rule we talked about. Speak out loud, and don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your best teachers. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You are improving every day, even when you don't see it. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you'll become. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, happy learning and keep speaking English. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to practice what you learned right now. Speak out loud for 10 minutes, write a few sentences in English, or teach a new word to a friend. And if you want more lessons like this, follow this podcast, share it with someone who's learning English, and join us again for the next episode. Your English journey starts with action, so take that step today. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more lessons to help you speak English fluently.